Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to LA. So we got here yesterday. I feel like even before we get started with the tour, I need to show you guys the Airbnb that we're staying in because it's so cute. We're standing right outside it. Let me actually show you what it looks like. So our Airbnb is in this apartment complex on the 25th floor. Okay, so as soon as you enter, this is what you see, but to the right we have the washroom. This is what it looks like. Also has a tub and everything that you could possibly need. What the tub looks like. Definitely taking baths here. Now right here, there's the washer and dryer, and then there are a lot of closets for you to store your stuff. As soon as I enter, to the right, we have our little bedroom. And then here we have our living / kitchen space. I think it's decorated so well. Everything is so aesthetic. It's an Airbnb, so it goes without saying it has everything that you could need. Fridge, oven, toaster, dishwasher, and then they have of course cups and everything, plates in there. So basically yesterday we got here halfway through the day, so we really just took it slow. We relaxed, we walked around the city, and we also grabbed a meal, just explored the area around us. I will say that we are staying in downtown, so utna safe nahi feel ho raha hai because there are quite a lot of homeless people around us. So I mean, it's okay, but I feel like it gets weird when they come up to you and they start talking to you. काफ़ी बार हमारे साथ ये हो गया कल के दिन में. So we've been advised not to walk around the area post 8 o'clock. So we're going to be doing that. But anyway, talking about today, we have a tour planned. It's called the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. It's going to be quite fun. We've booked it through our website. Obviously, all the details will be mentioned down below. So let's get started. Unfortunately, LA में connectivity is not that great, so we have to book an Uber. Our Uber is here. Costed us $30. कौन सा सेट देखने के लिए तू सबसे ज़्यादा excited है?
I think उसमें mentioned the Friends और Big Bang Theory के sets है, तो वो तो obviously
Yeah.
they are available.
हाँ, तो one thing that they've mentioned is that depends on the availability of the set.
Because there are a lot of shoots happening at all times. So.
But I'm hopeful that we get to see the Friends set.
Yeah, hopefully.
We are here. It's such a pretty day in LA. After New York, I think we appreciate the sun a lot more. Even though New York was really pretty, it was very gloomy, very rainy. And very windy. It is still cold for us here. But it's, as pleasant you can see, cold. It's very nice, it's very pleasant. Now let's go in there. We just got done with our little tour. We're sitting at Central Park having a pizza and a coffee as well. How was your experience?
It was good. I really liked the tour that they have and the film that they shot at the beginning.
Yeah.
That was really cute. Plus the experience center here inside this area.
Yeah.
It's fun.
As you saw, I wasn't allowed to take videos, but there were a lot of pictures that we've taken. It was very cool.
Very cute, yeah.
A really nice insight into how movies and shows are made.
Yeah.
This was nice. This is so good as well. Before we leave, we need to go to the Wizarding World. How cool! This whole area, I believe, is for Harry Potter.
So we have Maddie going to the Sorting Hat. Let's see.
One, two.
and then put the hat, and then do it.
You have a love of learning. With a brain like yours, it has to be Ravenclaw!
It's time for Aditya. Let's see Aditya का क्या आता है. Cute.
Ah, shrewd and sharp. Slytherin!
Did he ask you to do that? You did, right? You asked her.
It's random.
Oh, okay. So cute. That's Harry's bedroom. Looks quite similar to the one in the movie. What's next? Oh, cute. That's so pretty. Just got done. How is it?
It's truly amazing. I think if you like Friends, Big Bang Theory, Harry Potter, Game of Thrones, DC superheroes, basically any
A
of
lot
these,
of,
if you
yeah.
like, you will definitely have fun.
Yeah.
It's a once in a lifetime experience because you get to see where these actually the movies are made, the TV shows are filmed. So I think definitely worth visiting once, but it was.
It is expensive.
Yeah, it was $73 per
Per
person.
person, yeah.
So a bit expensive, but like I said, if you are a fan and you will enjoy these things, then definitely go for it. If not, then I wouldn't suggest it.
Yeah, and today has basically turned out to be a very expensive day. The next thing that we're doing is we're going to Santa Monica Pier,
Which is
and
on the other end.
yeah, it's on the other end. And again, as I mentioned, the connectivity in LA isn't that great in terms of public transport.
So it's
So-
30 minutes by car and 2 hours by local transport.
Yeah, and also we're taking an Uber just to save time, and around $44 का हमने Uber अभी book किया है. So आदित्य पहले भी जा चुका है Santa Monica Pier पे GTA game में. So apparently he's gonna be showing me around without Google Maps because he thinks that he knows all the roads. In LA as well, he says.
Pretty much.
And we are back to our Airbnb, Santa Monica Pier. Definitely go and visit. If you're in LA, you must go. It's like a 30-minute drive. We
From
literally
our Airbnb.
from our Airbnb from downtown. We just walked around.
It's a chill place. There are a few funfair kind of games.
Yeah.
There are rides. There's an arcade. So if you just want to spend the evening. it's
Yeah,
a
watch
good
the
place to be,
sunset.
yeah. Good
There's a
place.
beach. There were people going inside the water as well. I don't know how. It was so cold. Oh
Yeah,
my god.
it was very windy again.
15 degrees, which is
Yeah.
cold for us. But that's it for today.
Yeah, I think that's it for today.
We're probably gonna be watching a movie. Most
Or
probably.
How I Met Your Mother.
Or Friends. Most probably that. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Hello, welcome to day 2. As you saw today morning, we started by having some breakfast in our apartment, in our Airbnb itself. I also have started my period, so I'm wearing a very comfy loose dress. What are we doing today?
Today we are going for a Hollywood tour, as they say, where we'll be seeing the Hollywood Walk of Fame, the Hollywood sign, and all of those basically touristy things that are in LA.
It's like a bus, like an open roof bus, kind of like a hop on, hop off bus, but it's a guided tour.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens. Stop number 1, as you can see in the background maybe, is the Hollywood sign. So यहाँ पे आना, they say is a little bit difficult, but मैंने Google Maps का link ले लिया है, the pinned one. So इसको मैं नीचे description में छोड़ दूँगी. You can hike up here. You can't get your cars here because you will get charged a fine. So now next we are here at the Beverly Hills side. So basically ये tour में they're just showing us around celebrity houses, fun facts, different shops. It's a total of 3 hours. I think it's okay.
It's good. Yeah.
It's quite nice. मतलब I feel like आप पूरा anyway city देख नहीं पाओगे at least
On your own.
on your own. At least ये कार में बिठा के they like take you around and show you around. Of course, since we are in Hollywood, we had to come and see these for ourselves. Just हमारा tour खत्म हुआ and I think okay था tour.
हाँ मतलब इट्स अ गुड टूर. बहुत अच्छी जगह घुमाते हैं. इन्फॉर्मेशन भी अच्छा खासा देता है.
Like a 7 out of 10 maybe.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go eat something. We're gonna go have In-N-Out burgers. So यहाँ का ये kind of you could say speciality है. I've never tried it. Aditya has never tried it. Their animal style fries are very popular. So that's what we're gonna eat with a burger maybe. Also another thing that I wanted to share, kind of like an observation, is that यहाँ पे time बहुत slow जाता है. Comparatively, like that's what we feel like when we're in Mumbai. We feel like आँख ब्लिंक करते हैं और 5 बज गए होते हैं शाम के. यहाँ पे 5 बजने को ही इतना टाइम लग
पूरा
जाता है.
दिन निकल जाए ऐसा लगता है, फिर जाके मालूम पड़ता है 5-6 बजे.
हाँ, एंड ऑल्सो आई ऑफ कोर्स डू नो कि यहाँ पे सनसेट भी लेट होता है, लाइक 8-8:30 सनसेट होता है. मे बी दैट्स व्हाई वी फील लाइक द टाइम इज गोइंग स्लो, बट इट्स गुड, इट्स ग्रेट, बिकॉज इन द पास्ट ऑल्सो वेन एवर वी गॉन फॉर अ वेकेशन वी फील लाइक द डेज आर जस्ट गोइंग बाय सो फास्ट. सो इट्स गुड दैट दे आर गोइंग आराम आराम से, सो वी आर गेटिंग टू लाइक रियली एक्सपीरियंस इट. एंड नाउ समवन हैज ड्रैग्ड मी in Foot Locker.
Just browsing.
Just browsing. We don't have space to buy anything at the moment. Maybe in San Francisco. We'll see. I think I'm the one who's at fault here. Because I'm the one who got you into this, Aditya.
That's true.
And now we are addicted. You've already bought a new pair of shoes, guys. They're so cool. I like them. Successfully out of Foot Locker. Without buying anything. But you didn't like anything.
Didn't like anything.
Yeah, if you like something, we could have gotten it. Ab hum literally we're just gonna walk around since we are here. Might as well just explore. We did end up going to Beverly Hills, as you guys already saw. We went to Rodeo Drive as well. Not like we were gonna shop anything there. We just like stopped by and then left. We'll walk
I
around
think anyone
Hollywood.
shops there.
A lot of people shop there. It's very popular for shopping, luxury shopping.
But what the guide said, that it's more of a window shopping area
Yeah.
than actual shopping.
He said that mostly because a lot of tourists, I don't know, I mean a lot of them could also shop, but yeah, he said कि जो वहाँ पे shops है,
They're just for advertising.
yeah,
like
they're just
marketing.
there for exactly. कोई actually आके वहाँ पे करता नहीं है shop, is what he said. Aditya, so far, what is your favorite thing about LA?
So far, I think this area that we are in currently, like the whole Hollywood Beverly Hills area, I really like that.
Yeah.
And even the WB tour was good.
Yeah.
So far, I think those are the 2 top highlights that.
I thought you would say the celebrity houses that we saw.
Yeah, obviously like, all of that. But I think I definitely will enjoy Disneyland the most, and
Yeah.
Universal also.
Yeah, which is coming up, spoiler alert. So there are these trophies, Oscars right here. I feel like it would be so funny if you find the right one for the right person.
What you were, what you are.
So cute. We've made it to our street. That is where our Airbnb is, and literally 10 steps away is this place called Food Hall. It has everything. It has vegan burgers, veggie burgers, fries, tacos, patties, pad thai, pasta, boba, Indian food. It has everything here. So we're gonna pack something from here for dinner and then take it back. Goods have been acquired. We also did a little grocery shopping for like snacks for tomorrow and day after because we're running short. Can you guess the time? कितने बजे है? Pause the video, comment down below what time do you think it is right now. Can you tell everyone what the time is?
It is 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock and it's still bright outside. And that is what my dinner looks like. We have some rice, curry, kanda, pickles. So basically Aditya और मैंने kind of ये decision लिया है कि one meal we'll order vegetarian, one meal we'll order non-vegetarian, and we'll be sharing both of those meals because we've realized the quantity, the portion size here, it's so huge that we'll end up wasting so much food, so much money also. Everything is so expensive. So whenever he orders non-veg, I just eat the gravy. And then whenever we eat veg, of course, he can eat veg. He doesn't prefer eating veg. But this is the compromise that we've come somewhere in the middle. And of course, we are watching How I Met Your Mother. I've never really actually watched the show. like in continuity. So we've decided to do that, and it's quite fun. We've been watching quite a few videos, quite a few episodes back to back. On day 3, we decided to go to the Universal Studios. It's a cliche thing to do, but I feel like it's touristy and you must do it. It was a beautiful sunny day. Everything was so pretty. Everything was going great. We even sat on the Mummy ride, which by the way is amazing. After which, I had the worst cramps of my life. We had to take a break for 2 hours, but thankfully the meds kicked in and then we were back on track. Lots of rides, simulation rides, and interactive rides for you to go on. Other than this, you can also do the Universal Studios tour, wherein they show you the different sets. Really gives you an insight into how movies are made. Hi guys, welcome to day 4 and welcome to California Adventure Park. As you can see with the years as well, we are going to be going to Disneyland as well. Aditya thoda panicky hai because हम लोग half an hour late पहुंचे. It's 8 o'clock.
1 hour late.
You wanted to reach at 8. It's 9.
And it gets full very fast.
It is going to be.
Even it's just 1 hour since it's opened, and already there's a 105-minute waiting line for a lot of the attractions.
That's true, but it's going to be Disneyland. It's California Park. वो हमेशा full होता ही है. We're here on a Wednesday, by the way. Thursday. So even then, it's so crowded. I can only imagine what it's like on weekends. First stop. Not really sure what it's going to be like, but at this point, I am doing whatever Aditya is asking me to do. Aditya, do you even know what this is, where we're going? So there's this app that Aditya is referring to.
The Disneyland app, you need to have this when you visit Disneyland.
Yeah, that's the Disneyland app. I feel like it's going to be super useful because he's able to navigate everything through that one app. Turns out एकदम ही छोटे बच्चों का ride निकला, so we're going to figure something else out to do. So हमने snacks carry किए, काफी सारे snacks carry करना allowed है. So I would suggest carry snacks, carry a पानी का bottle also, which you can refill here, because everything here is quite expensive. Having said that, you would want to try out the snacks, especially in Disneyland. So थोड़े से carry करना so that थोड़े you can try it out as well. Okay guys, we figured it out. We're going on that roller coaster. It's called the Incredi roller coaster. Looks interesting. That's precisely the one that we're going on right now. It's supposed to be a super fun one. And I think now it flips, yeah. Looks fun. So I'm super excited. Aditya's a little scared.
Not scared.
Because we just had the Dr. Pepper, so he's worried. It was a bad idea. We shouldn't have had it right now. But too late. Look who's here from the Grizzly Water Run ride. I'm so glad I didn't go. You're drenched. How was it though? Was it worth it?
Fun.
Okay.
Definitely, you should visit, but I would say visit in the afternoon so you get dried off
Yeah,
really easily. But
right
then that
now-
time there's a long line as well.
Yeah, right now you didn't get a line, na? Nice. So this ride has a 105 minutes का waiting. तो इसमें एक option है single riders करके, wherein both of us are going to be kind of seated separately, na Aditya? Which I think is okay rather than waiting for 105 minutes. And Aditya is right there. Even though we had to sit apart, the last ride was amazing.
It was very, 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 very much fun. Definitely go check it out.
इतना भी फन नहीं था, फन
तो
था
बहुत मजा है,
काफी.
बहुत मस्त बनाया है
Racing type था, मतलब it wasn't like a roller coaster, but like a race between two
बनाया,
cars.
but बहुत सुंदर
हाँ,
बनाया.
it was very, of course, everything is very well made. Now we're here for the Harry Potter, sorry, Spider-Man.
Universal पहुंच गए 2 minutes.
Spider-Man ride. And then, by the way, there's also another option of the lightning lane. So you can just scan your ticket and there you go. वहाँ पे है general line और ये है lightning light. I'll explain more about it in a bit.
The web slayer vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
just got done with the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, and it was, I think, my favorite out of
Definitely.
everything that we've done in the California.
So far, definitely the favorite.
And this one and the first one that we did.
Incredicoaster.
Yeah, those two. If you happen to
Even
come
the Radiator
here.
Springs one is nice. It's good.
But मेरे ये दो टॉप
ये दोनों तो
ये करना ही
definitely
करना है.
पर ये
And
60 minutes, 70 minutes कितना भी wait हुए.
नहीं पता चलता ऑनेस्टली, इतना टाइम
Go
लाइन
for
में
it.
खड़े रहते हैं तो निकल जाता है टाइम if you have someone with you. Now we're done with this park. We're gonna go to Disneyland now. So both of these are next to each other. And with that, I think we are done with our Disneyland experience. How is it for you?
It was very nice. I've been to Disneyland Hong Kong wala, and this is the second Disneyland I've been to. So far, I've liked both of them equally.
Okay. So I feel like both of us kind of came here with the expectation of it being like an amusement park, which it is, of course, but it's also catered more so for kids. So the rides aren't like extremely scary. It's more so about the experience and the way they've made the place. One thing to note is that the lines are
The wait times are
crazy.
crazy. That it can go up to 70 minutes, 80
105
minutes, 90
minutes.
Yeah, 105 minutes. So,
So
be prepared to deal with that.
yeah. So let me actually let Aditya actually explain to you guys quickly the different types of tickets. The one that we got, we ended up buying the Genie ticket. Let actually Aditya do the talk.
So basically, there are two categories of tickets. One is a normal Disney ticket that you buy, and the other is the Genie Pass along with it. The Genie Pass basically allows you to go quickly into some of the rides.
Not all.
Not all.
Some.
of the rides. Basically, at a time you can only book one ride with the Genie Pass. For example, it's 9 o'clock and I book a ride for 10 o'clock. So till 10 o'clock, I can't book any other ride using the Genie Pass. So once 10 o'clock is up, once I have done that ride, only then can I book the next one. So you can see with that logic, you can't do a lot of rides using the Genie Plus. So I'm not sure if I would, recommend you to get it 100%. It's up to you if you want to save some time. I mean, we did all the rides that we wanted to, so we are pretty happy with that. But again, it ultimately depends on your personal preference. If you feel that the $30 is not going to make a difference to you, go for it. If not, then I feel you're better
But
off
do you
without
think
it.
it was worth it? Like now that you know
I
the
feel that
experience.
so I feel I did a lot of strategizing with the timings as per the Genie Pass, and that's why we
Yeah,
got to do-
Aditya was.
that's
He
why we
had made a plan and he had come with a plan.
because of that we were able to get the whole experience. So if you are ready to do that, you have to invest a lot of time into doing that. So that's fine. Then the Genie Pass is definitely worth it.
And with that, we have come towards the end of our LA vlog. We were here for 4 days and I believe we tried to cover as much as we possibly could. We're gonna leave all the details in the description box below. But we'll see you in our next video. Bye!